In today's video, we'll take a look at the world's craziest turbo cars ever built. The last one might leave you shocked. At first, we got the rocket Porsche 911 launch control screaming out horsepower. If that wasn't crazy enough, then take a look at this Audi S3 brutal 0 to 280 kph rocket launch. Up next, we have an even crazier all-wheel drive, 860 horsepower Mitsubishi. Cool, huh? We'll take a look at this 1000 bhp Audi S2. Even the phone's speaker couldn't hold it. Coming up, we got the 2JZ swapped BMW E30 straight out of hell. Try to guess the horsepower of this beast in the comments down below. Up next is definitely not a car, but worth seeing is a twin-turbo LS V8 swapped jet boat. Let us know in the comments if you would rather have this or a twin-turbo V8 car. Now onto the definition of a sleeper. Turbo 104 swapped Volvo might look clapped from the outside, but does burnouts like no other Mustang. This guy probably had an argument with his wife and decided to build a Hayabusa-swapped golf cart. He even took it on a drag strip. Moving towards the end of this video, we have the big Turbo DC5, which speaks with its flames. Finally, we got the king of all JDM cars, Toyota Supra Mark IV with 700 horsepower, as said by the owner in the video.
Alright, Supra, 700 horsepower. Go by second gear, here we go.
Congratulations if you made it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.